All right, next word. The animals or people in a story. This is a standard we've been teaching all year.
Okay.
Characters.
You hear my belly?
I didn't. Oh, you thinking about that sushi?
No. I've been holding. Hold on. All right, go on.
Yabang.
Go on. What you say?
The animals or people that are in a story are the characters.
Kyahraktah.
Kyahraktah.
Say this. Your pretty face and bad character.
Your pretty face and body character.
Yeah.
Like you look good, but your heart ugly.
You got a bad character, girl.
Bad
They
character.
kind of live me, girl. Bullshit. Everything. Your pretty face and
There's a song for every
It's Jamaica.
word.
Girl, you're pretty. Your face is pretty, but your character dirty.
Your face pretty, but your character dirty.
Yeah.
Dirty girl.
Yeah.
I know that we be saying it wrong. I'm just going to disclaimer. I already know.
I already know
The
what you're
word
saying.
is sentence. But when I'm talking, then I'll be like, use that in a sentence. Sentence. I don't know. It's like, I know how to say it. We just say it fast.
Sen.
Sen.
Tense.
Tense.
Sentence.
My mouth hurt just listening to you say that. Sentence.